In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon ads to help grow your business, even if you don't sell in the Amazon store. That's right. If you've ever thought, I don't currently sell on Amazon, is there a way I can still leverage Amazon's insights and reach their massive amount of shoppers to help grow my business? Well, my friend, it's time to stop thinking and instead start taking action, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start advertising on Amazon without needing to sell anything on the Amazon store, and how to set up a new Amazon ads sponsored display campaign from scratch, step by step, even if you've never done it before. Also, make sure to check out the link in my descriptions below to receive $500 in free Amazon ad credit to help you kickstart your campaign, but more on this later. For now, get ready for some truly groundbreaking stuff. That's right, breaking news here. Amazon's really going all in here by extending their sponsored display campaigns to businesses not currently selling in Amazon stores with no minimum spend requirements. Yes, you heard that right. This is going to be especially useful this holiday season. So, here's what you need to know. First off, let's talk about Amazon's customers. With sponsored display now open to all businesses, this means you can now harness Amazon's 1P audience insights and use it to reach Amazon's shoppers. But let me put that into plain English. Basically, Amazon has billions of signals that cover shopping and streaming and browsing, giving you unprecedented access to new customers. Tap into Amazon's exclusive insights to help your business reach relevant audiences. Engage Amazon's customers as they shop, browse, or stream, both in the Amazon store and beyond. Second, Amazon's sponsored display campaigns are intuitive and easy to use. They're built with you in mind. The great news here is that you don't need a PhD in complicated advertising stuff to use this service. A few clicks here and there, and voila, you've got eye-catching display ads ready to go. Need to create ads for different placements, creative sizes, and devices? No sweat. Just provide a few inputs and let Amazon do the heavy lifting. Your ad will be resized for a variety of placements, and you can even tap into free stock imagery to bring your business to life. You can create your first sponsored display campaign in just a few clicks, even if you've never advertised before. Third, you can set your own budget that works for you. Want to make sure you're tracking your budget and costs? All good. Thanks to flexible budgeting with no minimum spend, you get to choose your charging method, whether cost per click, CPC, or cost per 1,000 viewable impressions, VCPM. Finally, stand out with compelling creatives. Drive visits to your website and help boost visibility of your business with Amazon's customers using engaging display ads. All right, so while I know this all sounds great, I think the time has come to get down to business and actually walk you through how to set up your very own sponsored display campaign. All right, let's talk about how to create your first sponsored display campaign for brands who don't sell on Amazon. Now, an important note here, this is currently only offered in the US to advertisers in beta. So first, open your account and go to the Campaign Creation Manager. You'll create a new campaign and select Sponsored Display. Next, you're going to choose your campaign settings. Give your campaign a brief descriptive name, and then set your campaign start and end dates. I recommend running your campaign without end dates unless you're using a sponsored display campaign to promote a limited time offer. This will help customers discover your business year-round. Then set a daily budget that's high enough to keep your ads showing throughout the day. Exactly how much you should invest depends on your advertising budgets and benchmarks. If you don't know how much to commit to an initial campaign yet, set up an amount that you're comfortable with as a test. Then monitor the campaign to learn more about how much you need to spend in order to achieve your goals. You can always adjust your budget if needed. Our daily budget here is $100, and we've set no end date. Ad groups are a way to organize and manage ads within a campaign. You can use ad groups to group your ads by theme or audience strategy. For example, each campaign consists of one or more ad groups. The first ad group is created when you create a campaign, and you can add more ad groups to the campaign after you've saved it. Optimize your bid for the metric that you want to focus on, whether reach or page visits, depending on the bid optimization strategy you select. This is either the average maximum cost per click if you've optimized for page visits, or the cost per 1,000 viewable impressions if you've optimized for reach. Choosing locations is optional during campaign creation. Here, you'll be able to choose which locations to optimize ad delivery for. You can select a combination of zip codes, cities, or states. Next, choose your audience strategy, making sure it's aligned with your campaign goals. You can choose from several audience types and even mix them from your campaign. The first audience type is Amazon Audiences, which offers thousands of pre-built audience segments to help you reach your new prospective audiences based on 4 segments of lifestyles, interests, life events, and in-market. Second, there's Views, which enables you to reach audiences who have viewed or clicked relevant product, images, product pages from a selected category, and then you can set the look back window, which allows you to reach audiences based on the pages they viewed on Amazon during that specific window in time. And then lastly, there are Purchases, which allows you to reach audiences audiences who have purchased products. Within relevant category purchases also allows you to select a look-back window of your choosing. Then the last step is to create and preview your campaign's creative. Give your ad a name and then set your landing page. The landing page is where shoppers are directed after they interact with your ad. You'll need your brand logo, custom headline, and a custom image to customize your creative as well. For your custom image, simply upload an image file that represents your brand, product, or service, though you want to avoid adding logos, text, or graphics to that image. If you don't have any imagery, you can use free Shutterstock images to bring your business to life. Now, crop the picture into 2 new sizes, one for wide ads, one for narrow ads. Your ad will then automatically optimize to serve in different size variations. And just like that, you're now all set to launch your campaign. And the best part of all of this is that Amazon is also giving you $500 of free Amazon ad credit to help you kickstart your campaign. And all you need to do to claim it is check out the link I've got in the descriptions below this video. And for more tips to really help you make more sales and grow your business, you're definitely going to want to check out the video I've got linked up right here that's going to give you my top marketing strategies, as well as practical and actionable ideas and insights on how to use them. So make sure to tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.